How to fix any problem you have on Grammarly app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have on Grammarly easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys, of course go to Grammarly app. Now if you want to fix any problem, all what you have to do is just click on this support option and you will be able to chat and contact the support team on Grammarly, and I guarantee to you that they will answer you quickly because they have a good support team and they will fix any problem you have as soon as possible. They helped me a lot, and that's why I'm saying that. They helped me and fixed a lot of problems that I had on my Grammarly account and app. So that's it for today's video, and good luck everyone. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.